Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Bentley Bentayga W12. This one is gray. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter W12 twin turbo pushing out 600 horsepower and 665 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch wheels. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear climate control. Trailer hitch. Power liftgate. Clean set of all season and regular floor mats. Cargo cover. Keyless entry. Power windows. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a keyless go, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated seats, our different driving functions. This Bentayga has 29,504 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2018 Bentley Bentayga W12, visit us at feldmanimports.com.